So this is a quick demo of the Apexel APL-DG10, specifically the telephoto lens of the pack. This is a lens kit for smartphones. Here's the case it comes in, a quick close-up of the lens options included. There's a total of 10, and here's a quick look at the list. There's a cloth included to help keep your lenses clean. This is the clip used to fix the lens on your smartphone. You screw the lens on like this, and then you clip it onto your phone. In this case, I'm using a Google Pixel 6. I'll be using a basketball as my subject of focus for the demo. Here's a shot of the basketball with the phone's one-time zoom without the Apexel telephoto lens. Here's a shot of the basketball with the phone's one-time zoom with the Apexel telephoto lens. I'm positioned about 5 feet away from the basketball. Here's a shot of the phone's 2x zoom without the Apexel telephoto lens. And here's a shot with the phone's 2x zoom with the Apexel telephoto lens. I'll leave you with a quick preview of the fisheye lens option. If you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments below.